What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl team Stacie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? Alrighty guys, so today we are installing this kinky highlight wig that was sent to me. And guess what, guys? I'm showing you guys multiple styles. This is just one sneak peek of the style, which was my favorite. Okay, so today's video is sponsored by SUNBERHAIR. They did go ahead and send me this gorgeous unit. Get into it. Okay, I showed some of my friends this wig before I put it on, and it was giving very much Beyonce homecoming. Okay, so this is a 13x4 closure. All the details on this wig will be linked down below in the description box, purchasing links, discount codes, everything. Okay, so we're gonna get very quick into the video, very quick install. I already had a bald cap on from a previous wig. Okay, don't judge me. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead, clear off my skin with alcohol, because you know that removes any of the oils that's on your skin. And I'm just taking my Ghost Bond glue and we're just gonna smooth that in, girl. Okay, this lace laid like no other, girl, period. Okay, get into it. I feel like I just put this wig on and I was glowing. Like, I don't know if y'all see what I see, but I just look too good. Okay, this wig was definitely a little different. I like me a little sleek, straight wig, stuff like that. But this being kinky, I don't know, this was fire. This was real bomb. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just place this wig down. I did do 3 layers of glue. I did some off camera. After everything dried clear, this is how the wig is looking. Okay, before anything is cut, mind you, I did pluck this wig off camera, but I did not bleach anything. No knots were bleached. This is just fresh out the pack. All right guys, so next up I'm going to go ahead and take my Eben lace spray, and we're just going to reinforce this lace, making sure she's staying nice and snug on the head. And then with the elastic band, I tied it real tight, but we're getting this lace to lay down. So here I just had cut some lace out my face because I wanted to take my time and hot comb this hair. You guys know a wig is not going on my head if a hot comb is not the next step. I have to hot comb my units. It just gives very much growing out of your girl's scalp. Okay, I need a new hot comb. I'm gonna invest in one from the beauty supply store, because this one doesn't get as hot as I want it to, but it gets the job done. I have it on 450 degrees, which it really feels like 350, but after I hot combed it, I went ahead and just passed the flat iron through it about twice. The reason why I wanted to flat iron it was because the hair is just super duper big. It's just a very big unit, and I wanted to tame it. So when you pass the flat iron once or twice, it's gonna, you know, make it look a little bit more sleek, a little bit more tame, but it still has that natural texture. So if you have natural hair, this passing the flat iron through it, it kind of gives that resemblance of a blowout. So if you ever go to like the Dominicans and get your hair blown out, this is how it looks like with just a blowout. Okay, not a silk press, but a blowout. So this is like the difference. You got one side that's nice and sleek and straight, and the other side is kinky, puffy, whatever you want, girl. If you want the kinky look, keep it. If you want to go more sleek, flat iron it a little bit more. It's definitely up to you. So next up, we're just going to cut off the excess lace with my eyebrow razor from Kiss. And as you guys see, I do an up and down zigzag kind of motion. And this just gives me the most natural effect possible. Like, this wig is so cute. Everyone's telling me like, keep it on, keep it on, keep it on. It just looks so cute. I think the color is beautiful. The lace was very much giving. Okay, this lace was just cutting so nice, and it just blended into my skin very nice. Like, look at me. I could have went out like this, girl. It's giving pretty girl, natural hair, no makeup. All right guys, so I did go ahead and do my makeup off camera. Okay, I'm looking real pretty. This was like a little 5-10 minute glam. If you guys are interested in my makeup videos, definitely check it out, because that's really what my channel is about. It's about beauty, and very much beauty on a budget. So what I'm doing here is I cut my edges and I just curled it with my 1/2 inch flat iron, and I'm just molding it to the shape that I want. I spray it down with my Eben glue. While I rub that into the lace, I'm gonna let it dry down, and then I'm gonna work on the next side while that side's drying, because I don't have my Gots to Be glue gel that I like to do my edges with right now. So you gotta let the spray, you know, kind of dry down because it's wet. So after I had prepped one edge, I went back to the first edge, and I'm just, you know, shaping my edge how I wanted it. I do a lot of edge videos, like showing the details of how I do my edges. In this video, I'm not really showing that. You guys can just see how gorgeous this is. With today's edges, I wanted it to be just fun, big, fluffy. Like, I really didn't want anything crazy. So this is the first style, okay? Clearly the style is very simplistic. I just did a flip over, not even a part. We just flipped the hair over, and this looks so freaking cute, guys. Get into it. Like, this hairstyle is just so bomb. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and smooth my hair into a ponytail. Now, right now, okay, I don't know when you're watching this video, but right now, girl, it's tax season. So if you got your taxes, girl, I got you something you can spend some money on, because this wig is so cute, y'all. Like, I still have this in my head. Y'all know I be changing my hair so much, but I had to let this one rock out because it's just so cute and it's so different. Because I've had kinky wigs, but never in this color. And they got me sold with this one, okay? So yeah, tax season is here. You want something to spend some money on? You want to spend your refund on something? Get you this wig, okay? Yes, girl. So this was the second style, very simplistic. We just put a scrunchie, half up, half down. I think it's super cute, super fun, super girly. I think this is such an adorable look. But let's say, you know, you want to spice it up. Pull out that curling wand, okay? So I just took my curling wand, and we're gonna add curls to the half up, half down. Okay, this is style number 3. I'm giving it to you, okay? I'm giving it to the girls, okay? So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and add curls. Then I just took my wide tooth comb and combed it out. If you want to wear the curls tight, you can, but it's up to you. Now, honestly, what I can say is the curls did not last as long as I wanted to. So this hair does not hold a curl naturally. So if you are gonna be curling this wig, you want to have a spray, like an even spray or gots to be glue, to help let the curls last, because I don't know what it was. It just, like, the curls were dropping. Girl, I'm thinking I'm in CoverGirl trying to do a hair flip. Oh my god. But anyways, y'all, so this is what it's looking like. Super cute, super fun, super bouncy, okay? Next up, I pulled out a bang. I pulled out some bangs and I just put a curl on it. This is also very cute, very bouncy, very, very fun, very flirty. Yeah, like, just get into it. I love this. This was my favorite style. Currently, this is how my hair is right now. I've wore it like this ever since I have this unit in. I love the slick back low pony in the back, and then you have the curls in the front. Super duper cute. So like I said, if y'all want to get your hands on this wig, definitely check my description box below. Love you guys.